Alright, so if you look inside there, you can see some crustation that won't come off the bottom of the tank from just running hot soapy water with Dawn dish soap and shaking it vigorously. So we're going to try another thing I've never tried before. With the water in the tank there, we're going to put this in the ultrasonic cleaner and see if a 5-minute bath will break the scale off of that, even though it has to penetrate the electricity through this plastic material. So we're going to try that and see what happens. We'll go down and put it in. Alright, we're down here at my cleaning machine. We have it at 56 degrees Celsius right now. We're just going to let that sit in there so the bottom of the tank is submerged in the water. That's where the most of this buildup is. So I'm going to set this to 5 minutes and see what we get. Well, 4 minutes 58 seconds will be good. So we'll go and we'll come back when it's done. Figured I'll actually try to give you a quick video of what's going on while it's working. I don't know if you can see that or not, but it's kind of bubbling and fizzing around in there. So it is doing something for sure. The water is moving and things are starting to float. So I'm going to let this finish out and then we'll come back. Okay, so now we're going to take this tank and go upstairs and check the results. Okay, we're going to dump out what we had, see what it looks like. Keep in mind we did clean a lot of this. So it looks pretty clean coming out. Let's get the light in here. I'm gonna have to get the soap suds out of here. We'll shake it once and see what the results we got. Right now we're gonna dump the shooken out version. Doesn't really look like much coming out. I'm gonna see. So I don't know if you can see that, but there still is some in there. Having a hard time getting this camera in the right angle. There is still a little bit in the bottom of this tank. But I think if I shake this a couple more times, we will get the rest of that out. But definitely got some of it out for sure. It helped break some of that free. So we'll put a link in the description below for ultrasonic cleaners. One more run of that, or with some sort of chemical cleaning solution, I guarantee that probably would have worked just fine. That was just a run with water. So I wish I had more time to show you the next, we'll put some sort of like Agent Orange or vinegar or something in here to just try it again. But for now, just show you that it does work. That was simply water. We love our ultrasonic cleaner. Shop wouldn't be the same without it. Alrighty guys, that's cleaning your Trail 70 tank. There's a lot of schmutz in there. I'd recommend getting her really good and clean before you put it all back together. And do it right the first time, and you won't have to do it twice. Alrighty guys, peace, be blessed. Stay tuned. We're going to be putting Helicoil in the Trail 70 to hold the intake manifold on in the next video. Alrighty guys, peace.